Welcome friends. In this module, we discuss more problems on bivariate random variables. Let us revise what we have studied in previous modules. Joint probability mass function. Consider two discrete random variables x and y defined on a particular random experiment. Let the range of variation of x Rx is equal to the set containing points x1, x2, etc. and that of y Ry equal to the set containing points y1, y2, etc. respectively. The probability of the event x equal to x, y equal to y, where x belongs to Rx and y belongs to Ry is called the joint probability mass function of this variable pair xy and is usually denoted by p of xy or f of xy. Properties of joint probability mass function. 1. P of xy greater than or equal to 0. 2. Summation over x, summation over y, p of xy that is equal to 1. 3. P of a less than x less than b, c less than y less than d, that is summation over a less than x less than b, summation over c less than y less than d, p of xy. Joint probability density function. For two continuous random variables x and y, if p of x less than x plus dx, y less than y plus dy, that is equal to f of xy into dy into dx, then f of xy is considered as the joint probability density function of x and y. Properties of joint PDF. 1. F of xy greater than or equal to 0. 2. Integral over x, integral over y, f of xy dy dx that is equal to 1. 3. P of a less than x less than b, c less than y less than d, that is integral from a to b, integral from c to d, f of xy dy dx. Joint distribution function of xy. Let f of xy equal to p of x less than or equal to x, y less than or equal to y, where xy belongs to R, then f of xy is called the joint distribution function of xy. Marginal distribution of x and y. If x and y are two discrete random variables, the marginal PMFs are defined as f1 of x that is equal to p of x equal to x, that is summation over y f of xy, and f2 of y that is p of y equal to y that is equal to summation over x f of xy. If x and y are two continuous random variables with joint PDF f of xy, then the marginal PDFs are f1 of x that is integral over y f of xy dy and f2 of y equal to integral over x f of xy dx. Conditional distribution. The conditional PMF or PDF is denoted by f of x given y or f of y given x and is defined as f of x given y equal to f of xy divided by f2 of y for f2 of y greater than 0 and f of y given x is equal to f of xy divided by f1 of x for f1 of x greater than 0. Problem 1. Let x and y are two discrete random variables with joint probability distribution f of xy equal to x plus 2y divided by 27 for x, y equal to 0, 1, 2 and f of xy equal to 0 otherwise. Find the probability distribution of the random variable z equal to x plus y. Solution. In tabular form, the joint distribution of f of xy is as follows. F of xy values for x equal to 0, 1, 2 and y equal to 0, 1, 2 are f of 0, 0 equal to 0, f of 1, 0 equal to 1 by 27, f of 2, 0 is 2 by 27, f of 0, 1 is 2 by 27, f of 1, 1 is 3 by 27, f of 2, 1 is 4 by 27, f of 0, 2 is 4 by 27, f of 1, 2 is 5 by 27 and f of 2, 2 is 6 by 27. Z equal to x plus y. Hence, the possible values of z are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. probability of z equal to 0, that is p of x equal to 0 comma y equal to 0, that is equal to 0. P of z equal to 1, that is p of x equal to 0 comma y equal to 1 plus p of x equal to 1 comma y equal to 0, that is 2 by 27 plus 1 by 27, that is equal to 3 by 27. P of z equal to 2, that is p of x equal to 0 comma y equal to 2 plus p of x equal to 1 comma y equal to 1 plus p of x equal to 2 comma y equal to 0, that is 4 by 27 plus 3 by 27 plus 2 by 27, that is equal to 9 by 27. Probability of z equal to 3, that is p of x equal to 1 y equal to 2 plus p of x equal to 2 y equal to 1, that is 5 by 27 plus 4 by 27, that is equal to 9 by 27. P of z equal to 4, that is p of x equal to 2 comma y equal to 2, that is 6 by 27. Now, the probability distribution of z is, the values of z are 1, 2, 3 and 4 with corresponding p of z values 3 by 27, 9 by 27, 9 by 27 and 6 by 27. Problem 2. Suppose that the joint density of x and y is given by f of x y equal to e raised to minus x by y into e raised to minus y divided by y for 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to infinity, 0 less than or equal to y less than or equal to infinity. Find f of x given y. Solution. f2 of y, that is integral from 0 to infinity e raised to minus x by y into e raised to minus y by y dx, that is e raised to minus y divided by y integral from 0 to infinity e raised to minus x by y dx, that is e raised to minus y by y into e raised to minus x by y divided by minus 1 by y within the limit from 0 to infinity, that is e raised to minus y for 0 less than or equal to y less than infinity. F of x given y equal to f of x y divided by f2 of y. This implies f of x given y equal to e raised to minus x by y divided by y for 0 less than or equal to x less than infinity. Problem 3. The joint PDF of x and y is given by f of x y equal to x y square by 30 for x equal to 1, 2, 3, y equal to 1, 2. Find the marginal PMF of x and y and examine whether x and y are independent. Also find the probability distribution of z equal to x plus y. Solution. f1 of x is equal to summation over y f of x y, that is summation y from 1 to 2 x y square by 30, that is x into 1 square by 30 plus x into 2 square by 30, that is 5x divided by 30. This implies f1 of x is equal to x divided by 6 for x is equal to 1, 2, 3. f2 of y equal to summation over x f of x y, that is summation x from 1 to 3 x y square by 30, that is 1 into y square by 30 plus 2 into y square by 30 plus 3 into y square by 30, that is 6 y square divided by 30. This implies f2 of y equal to y square by 5 for y equal to 1, 2. Here f of x y equal to x y square by 30, that is equal to x by 6 into y square by 5, that is equal to f1 of x into f2 of y. Hence, x and y are considered as independent. To find the probability distribution of z equal to x plus y, the possible values of x and y are 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2 respectively. Then the possible values of z are 2, 3, 4 and 5. P of z equal to 2, that is p of x equal to 1, y equal to 1, that is 1 into 1 square by 30, that is 1 by 30. P of z equal to 3, that is p of x equal to 1, y equal to 2 plus p of x equal to 2, y equal to 1, that is 1 into 2 square by 30 plus 2 into 1 square by 30, that is 6 divided by 30. Probability of z equal to 4, that is p of x equal to 2, y equal to 2 plus p of x equal to 3, y equal to 1, that is 2 into 2 square by 30 plus 3 into 1 square by 30, that is 11 by 30. P of z equal to 5, that is P of x equal to 3, y equal to 2, that is 3 into 2 square by 30, that is 12 by 30. The probability distribution of z is z having the values 2, 3, 4 and 5 with respective f of z values 1 by 30, 6 by 30, 11 by 30 and 12 by 30. Problem 4. Let f of xy equal to 1 by 8 into 6 minus x minus y for 0 less than x less than 2, 2 less than y less than 4 is the joint PDF of x and y. Find 1. P of x less than 1 intersection y less than 3, 2. P of x plus y less than 3, 3. P of x less than 1 given y less than 3. Solution. 1. P of x less than 1 intersection y less than 3 equal to integral from 0 to 1, again integral from 2 to 3 of 1 by 8 into 6 minus x minus y dy dx. That is 1 by 8 into integral from 0 to 1 6y minus xy minus y square by 2 over the limit from 2 to 3 dx. That is 1 by 8 into integral from 0 to 1 7 by 2 minus x dx. That is 1 by 8 into 7x by 2 minus x square by 2 over the limit from 0 to 1. That is 1 by 8 into 6 by 2, that is 3 divided by 8. 2. P of x plus y less than 3, that is equal to integral from 0 to 1, again integral from 2 to 3 minus x of 1 by 8 into 6 minus x minus y dy dx. That is 1 by 8 into integral from 0 to 1 6y minus xy minus y square by 2 over the limit from 2 to 3 minus x dx. The range of integration is the shaded region in the figure. That is equal to 1 by 8 into integral from 0 to 1 6 into 3 minus x minus x into 3 minus x minus 3 minus x whole square by 2 minus 12 plus 2x plus 2 dx. That is 1 by 8 into integral from 0 to 1 7 by 2 minus 4x plus x square by 2 dx. That is 1 by 16 into integral from 0 to 1 7 minus 8x plus x square dx. That is 1 by 16 into 7x minus 8 into x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 over the limit from 0 to 1. That is 1 by 16 into 10 by 3, that is 10 by 48. 3. P of x less than 1 given y less than 3, that is P of x less than 1 y less than 3 divided by P of y less than 3. f2 of y is equal to integral from 0 to 2 1 by 8 into 6 minus x minus y dx. That is 1 by 8 into 6x minus x square by 2 minus xy over the limit from 0 to 2. That is 1 by 8 into 10 minus 2y for 2 less than y less than 4. P of y less than 3 equal to integral from 2 to 3 1 by 8 into 10 minus 2y dy. That is 1 by 8 into 10y minus 2y square by 2 over the limit from 2 to 3, that is equal to 5 divided by 8. Hence, P of x less than 1 given y less than 3 equal to 3 by 8 divided by 5 by 8, that is 3 divided by 5. Problem 5. Given f of xy equal to 1 for 0 less than x less than 1, 0 less than y less than 1. Find 1. P of x plus y less than 1. 2. P of x greater than 1 by 2 given y less than 1 by 2. Solution. 1. P of x plus y less than 1 equal to integral from 0 to 1, again integral from 0 to 1 minus x of 1 dy dx. The range of integration is shown as a shaded region in the figure. Integral from 0 to 1 1 minus x dx is equal to 1 by 2. 2. Probability of x greater than 1 by 2 given y less than 1 by 2, that is equal to P of x greater than 1 by 2 y less than 1 by 2 divided by P of y less than 1 by 2. P of x greater than 1 by 2 y less than 1 by 2 equal to integral from 1 by 2 to 1, again integral from 0 to 1 by 2 of 1 dy dx, that is equal to 1 by 4. f2 of y equal to integral from 0 to 1 1 dx, that is equal to 1 for 0 less than y less than 1. P of y less than 1 by 2 equal to integral from 0 to 1 by 2 1 dx, that is equal to 1 by 2. Hence, P of x greater than 1 by 2 given y less than 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2. Problem 6. Given f of xy equal to 1 by 4 into 1 plus xy for minus 1 less than x less than 1, minus 1 less than y less than 1. Examine the independence of x and y, x square and y square. Solution. The marginal PDF of x, f1 of x is equal to integral over y f of xy dy, that is integral from minus 1 to 1, 1 by 4 into 1 plus xy dy, that is 1 by 4 into y plus x into y square by 2 over the limit from minus 1 to 1. That is 1 by 4 into 1 plus x into 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 plus x into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 for minus 1 less than x less than 1. Marginal PDF of y, f2 of y is equal to integral over x f of xy dx. That is integral from minus 1 to 1, 1 by 4 into 1 plus xy dx. That is 1 by 4 into x plus y into x square by 2 over the limit from minus 1 to 1. That is equal to 1 by 2 for minus 1 less than y less than 1. Here f of xy not equal to f1 of x into f2 of y. Hence, x and y are dependent. Capital F x square y square of xy, that is equal to probability of x square less than or equal to x and y square less than or equal to y. That is P of minus x less than x less than x minus y less than y less than y. That is equal to integral from minus x to x, again integral from minus y to y of f of xy dy dx. That is equal to integral from minus x to x, again integral from minus y to y, 1 by 4 into 1 plus xy dy dx. That is 1 by 4 into integral from minus x to x, y plus x into y square by 2 over the limit from minus y to y dx. That is equal to 1 by 4 into integral from minus x to x, y plus x into y by 2 minus of minus y plus x into y by 2 dx. That is 1 by 4 into integral from minus x to x to y dx. That is equal to 2y divided by 4 into integral from minus x to x 1 dx. That is 2y divided by 4 into x over the limit from minus x to x. That is 2y by 4 into 2x, that is x into y. Capital F x square of x, that is equal to probability of x square less than or equal to x. That is P of minus x less than x less than plus x. That is integral from minus x to x f1 of x dx. That is integral from minus x to x 1 by 2 dx. That is 1 by 2 into x over the limit from minus x to plus x. That is 1 by 2 into 2x, that is equal to x. Capital Fy square of y, that is equal to probability of y square less than or equal to y. That is P of minus y less than y less than plus y, that is integral from minus y to plus y f2 of y dy. That is integral from minus y to y 1 by 2 dy. That is 1 by 2 into y over the limit from minus y to y. That is 1 by 2 into 2y, that is equal to y. Thus, f x square y square of xy equal to f x square of x into f y square of y. Hence, x square and y square are independent. Problem 7. Given f of xy equal to 1 by 3 into x plus y for 0 less than x less than 2, 0 less than y less than 1. Find the correlation between x and y. Solution. Correlation of x y, that is equal to covariance of x y divided by standard deviation of x into standard deviation of y. That is equal to expectation of x y minus e of x into e of y divided by square root of expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square into square root of expectation of y square minus expectation of y the whole square. Expectation of x into y, that is integral from 0 to 2, again integral from 0 to 1, x into y into 1 by 3 into x plus y dy dx. That is equal to 1 by 3 into integral from 0 to 2, x square into y square by 2 plus x into y cube by 3 over the limit from 0 to 1 dx. That is equal to 1 by 3 into integral from 0 to 2, x square by 2 plus x by 3 dx. That is equal to 1 by 3 into x cube by 6 plus x square by 6 over the limit from 0 to 2, that is equal to 2 divided by 3. Expectation of x, that is integral over x, x into f1 of x dx. f1 of x is equal to integral over y f of xy dy, that is equal to integral from 0 to 1 by 3 into x plus y dy. That is 1 by 3 into x plus 1 by 2 for 0 less than x less than 2. Therefore, expectation of x is equal to integral from 0 to 2 x into 1 by 3 into x plus 2 dx. That is 1 by 3 into x cube by 3 plus x square by 4 over the limit from 0 to 2. That is 11 divided by 9. Expectation of x square is equal to integral from 0 to 2 x square into 1 by 3 into x plus 1 by 2 dx. That is 1 by 3 into x raised to 4 by 4 plus x cube divided by 6 over the limit from 0 to 2. That is 32 divided by 18. Expectation of y equal to integral over y into f2 of y dy. f2 of y equal to integral over x f of xy dx, that is integral from 0 to 2 1 by 3 into x plus y dx. That is 1 by 3 into x square by 2 plus xy over the limit from 0 to 2. That is 2 by 3 into 1 plus y for 0 less than y less than 1. Therefore, expectation of y equal to integral from 0 to 1 y into 2 by 3 into 1 plus y dy, that is 2 by 3 into y square by 2 plus y cube by 3 over the limit from 0 to 1, that is 5 divided by 9. Expectation of y square equal to integral from 0 to 1 y square into 2 by 3 into 1 plus y dy, that is 2 by 3 into y cube divided by 3 plus y raised to 4 divided by 4 over the limit from 0 to 1, that is equal to 7 divided by 18. Correlation of xy equal to 2 by 3 minus 11 by 9 into 5 by 9 divided by square root of 32 by 18 minus 11 by 9 square into square root of 7 by 18 minus 5 by 9 the square, that is minus 0.0818. In this module, more problems involving bivariate random variables are discussed. Both continuous and discrete cases are considered. The concepts studied are applied to solve the problems for a better understanding. Before we attend the next session, please try to answer the following questions. If the joint PDF of two random variables x and y is f of xy equal to c into xy square plus e raised to x for 0 less than x less than 1, 0 less than y less than 1, find 1 c, 2 p of 1 by 2 less than x less than 2 by 3, 3 p of x less than 1 by 2, y less than 1 by 4. 4. Conditional distribution of x given y. Let x and y be a pair of discrete random variables with joint probability distribution as follows. X is having the values 0, 1, 2 and y is having the values 0, 1 and 2. The respective probabilities f of 0, 0 is 1 by 4, 1, 0 is 2 by 24, f of 2, 0 is 4 by 24, f of 0, 1 is 4 by 24, f of 1, 1 is 1 by 24, f of 2, 1 is 4 by 24, f of 0, 2 is 3 by 24, f of 1, 2 is 3 by 24 and f of 2, 2 is 2 by 24. Find the marginal distributions of x and y. Find the conditional distribution for y given x equal to 1. Find the conditional distribution for x given y equal to 1. Given the joint PDF f of xy equal to 4 into e raised to minus 2x into y for x greater than 0, 0 less than y less than 1. Verify whether x and y are independent. The joint PDF of x and y f of xy equal to x into y into e raised to minus 1 by 2 into x square plus y square for x greater than 0, y greater than 0. Find expectation of x, expectation of y and expectation of x into y. The books for your reference are Introduction to Probability Models, Sheldon M. Ross, Academic Press, 1997. Introduction to Mathematical Statistics, S.C. Gupta, V.K. Kapoor, Sultan Chand and Sons, 2003. A First Course in Probability, T.K. Chandra, D. Chatterjee, Narosa, 2003. A First Course in Probability, Sheldon M. Ross, Pearson Education, 2007. Probability and Statistics for Engineers, R.A. Johnson, PHI 2005. Hope the session was useful for you. See you next time. Until then, goodbye.